Hello kids, let's learn some shapes and color name. These are our colors. It is red color, red, red color. It is orange, orange, orange color. It is green, green, green color. It is blue, blue, blue color. It is violet, violet color. It is yellow, yellow, yellow color. Let us draw these shapes. It is black color. It is right triangle. It is parallelogram. It is hexagon. It is star, 5-pointed star. It is square. It is circle. Let us color the shapes. This is yellow color. It is 5-pointed star. It has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. It is red color. It is parallelogram. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and opposite sides are parallel. Orange color. It is circle. It has no side. It is blue color. It is right triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And this angle 90 degree. It is green color. It is square and it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And all sides equal. It is violet color. It is hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. It is a 2D shape. Let us recall shapes and color name once again. It is right triangle, blue color. Parallelogram, red color. Hexagon, violet color. Star, yellow color. Square, green color. Circle, orange color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.